The stock market is back on that roller coaster ride. Dan Deming of KKM Financial is here with a trader rundown. And Dan, the big caps are getting plenty of action, but the small caps, the Russell, which is so closely tied to the American economy, is really on the move here.
They are. They're getting whipped around by, the changing tide and the changing narrative of, the economic activity, the virus scenario, the reopening storyline. Yeah, they're very sensitive to all of those types of news items, Angie. And I think you're seeing the culmination of that as we continue to see most of the volatility. I mean, it's across all the different capitalizations right now, but certainly, as you mentioned, the small caps are bearing the brunt of this reassessment of where we are in this cycle.
What is the stock market telling us, do you think?
I think it's telling us that it got a little ahead of itself, and I think we all kind of anticipated that we probably came too far too fast. Now, it's never good feeling to see the market down 5.5%, 6% on any one day. But the fact of the matter is, Angie, is even with the price action last week, we were really only down. Okay, we're down off the highs, but we're basically back to levels where we were at the end of May. So it's not like, we've given up a ton of ground, but it's never a good thing to see the market down 5% on one day, because it leads to unsettling, feeling.
Dan, what are you and other traders watching this week?
This week, I'm watching a couple of things. Now, we have expiration. That's going to be a big, I think, mover, because it's a quadruple expiration and because of where the market has come from in this quarter. So I think that's going to be very significant this week. Couple that with retail sales and the housing data that's going to come out. But as I mentioned at the start of this, Angie, the real driver here this week will be the storyline surrounding the reopening of the economic structure. The Fed's going to be talking a lot this week as well, now that they are out of their quiet period. So I think those dynamics are certainly going to be something that are going to play into the mindsets of traders this week.
Well, thanks so much for your Trader Talk.
All right, thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.